aalis na naman ako. Meron akong trabaho. Good morning.
She had to think then, where's my car keys? Because a good husband starts the car in the morning and warms it for her.
I know.
Not many of them left.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm lucky then.
Might not be one, I only switched it on 10 minutes ago.
Okay. It's okay. Thank you.
Okay, darling.
Bye-bye. I love you.
No, I might be here and I might not. I'll see what it's like at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Love you, darling.
Bye-bye. I love you.
And if I'll be back in plenty time.
Okay.
And I'll feed the dog and stuff. So
Okay.
yeah, give a go and show her.
Okay. Bye-bye. Yung pasok ko ngayon mga palangga, 3 hours lang kasi today is weekend. Woo! Pero may trabaho. Saturday till Monday na ako, meron akong trabaho. Come on now. Tingnan nyo si Pipa, oh. Pick up your rock. That's it. Mag-iingat ka dyan. Baka malunok mo yan. Naku, itong si Pipa talaga. Ang ginaw ngayon mga palangga. Whew. So, ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. Si John, umalis ulit. Nag-clay pigeon shooting. So, meron akong duty. Mama's duty. Kailangan din natin to. Kailangan natin mag-exercise. From here mga palangga, tingnan nyo yung view. Sobrang ganda ng view. I-zoom in natin ha. Yan. Makikita nyo yung wind turbine. Yung mga alaga natin, iniwan ako. Nandoon na sila oh. Grabe ang ginaw sa labas. Nagluluto nga pala ako ng pasta. Ito yung hapunan ko ngayon. Si Mr. malilit kasi siya. So, ayun, kakain ako na mag-isa. Malapit na siyang maluto. Yung pasta, kahapon meron akong leftover na karne. Nagtako kasi kami kahapon. So, ayun. Meron tayong leftover na filling dito. Pasensya na talaga. Every time talaga ako na lumalabas at yung hangin malamig, tutulo talaga yung sipon ko. Lalagyan natin ng peas and sweet corn yung pasta. I-drain natin yung water. Nilagyan ko lang siya para maluto siya, diba? Para hindi ko na siya ilagay yung peas at sweet corn sa microwave. Save the electricity, diba? Balik natin ulit sa kaldero. Ininit ko na din yung ating filling, yung leftover natin. So, i-mix na natin sila. So, ito na. Ito na yung hapunan natin. So, ito yung kakainin natin mga loves. Yan. It's raining. Buti na lang si Mr. Dinala niya yung jacket ko. I left this in my car. And he's thinking about me.
Like I always do.
Sometimes. pouring rain talaga. Since
Oh.
last night,
You need to watch the flooding down. And just be very careful because it won't be.
I'm home. Akala ko talaga mai-stuck ako sa pinagtatrabaho ko. Tingnan nyo yung bin natin. Akala ko mai-stuck ako sa pinagtatrabahoan ko kasi yung John rescue me. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Meron kasi ngayong bagyo. Yung pagdadrive sobrang dangerous kasi sobrang daming branches sa daan and there's a lot of puddle and yun na nga, akala ko mai-stuck ako sa pinagtatrabahoan ko kasi yung bridge na dinadaanan ko, yung river, umapaw yung river, so buti na lang, hala, nirescue ako ni Mr. Ito yung nangyayari pag may bagyo. Yung bahay namin tumutulo dito. Yeah. Why it's dark? The water from the chamber. Yeah, so nagbabaha din kami dito, bumabaha din kami dito dahil sa tulo. See what they gonna do tomorrow?
Oh, it'll be gone by tomorrow.
Honey, oy.
It doesn't stay up long. It's just up and down. Really, believe me.
Okay. Ang lakas pa din ng hangin pero at least tumigil na yung ulan. We're going out shopping. Pupunta tayo sa No, I don't think so. We're going to Aldi. Pero we're going to Tesco for sure. Kaninang umaga, yung mga katrabaho ko, they're having hard time to get sa trabaho namin kasi bumabaha.
What?
I'm telling them that my
Colleagues are playing naughties. There's nothing wrong with the roads, they're just making excuses so they have to go
It's
to work.
flooding, sweetheart.
It's not flooding, the road is clear, we got through
Flooding.
it. If you can get through it in your little car, so can they.
It's flooding, that's what he said.
It was,
Anyway.
it was.
Anyway, we're just gonna do our normal routine.
Should we check thing out when we come back?
Yeah, we can do.
Not now, we'll give it a chance to drop off a bit.
I give you the key, isn't it?
You give me the key to go.
Of course I have. When I met you, that's it. That's it. When I know that my heart
Put it in
is
my hands.
is safe.
Look how much this is all receding because this was seriously flooded before. And the water was virtually up to the corner of our thing.
I know. I can see the difference now.
Yeah. This is still good.
Gusto ko mag-drive pero sabi ni Jan, no, we'll use my car today. It's more safer. There's a big puddle. Honey, oi, you're taking a risk. You never know what's in there.
It's a road.
Oh my goodness, this man. Are we okay?
100%, darling. I'm in the Range Rover. You don't know this.
Well, sometimes you need to,
Have a good
you
time.
know,
My car can swim.
don't be annoying. Tingnan nyo doon,
Yeah.
That's why the road
he's
is
gone round.
closed.
Well, he's watching what he's doing. He can't go through that in his car, but I can.
Nakikita nyo yan? Ang daming tubig.
I think you might see a bit more at the top of here short.
Kawawa Kawawa yung mga farmer. Another one right here. But at least the sky is clearing. Before tayo pupunta sa grocery, iti-check lang namin yung bahay ni mother-in-law kasi pinalipat sila. We wonder kung ano yung nangyari. Pinalipat sila kasi meron daw ano nangyari sa bubong. Oh my goodness mga loves, yung bahay ni Biyenan, yung tinitirahan nila, that's a lot of damage. We go here, pull in here so that they can see. Tingnan nyo yung bahay ni Biyenan kung ano yung nangyari. Hala.
I know what's pulled that down. Do you know what's pulled that out?
I don't
Set it
know.
off?
What?
The satellite dish that's been on the fastened to the end of it.
Ah. So yun. Yung hangin, yung bagyo, nagbigay ng damage sa tinitirahan ni Biyenan. Kaya ayun, pinalipat sila. Wala dito si Biyenan ngayon. Pumunta siya sa atin ni John. Where?
You ready? There.
Yan oh. Yan yung bahay ni Biyenan. Oh dear.
Broken.
It's broken. Nandito tayo sa baking area. Home baking section ng Tesco. What are you trying?
St. Clement's cross plum.
Mmm.
Go in.
The extra fruity one.
No, yeah, these have got oranges and stuff like that.
Yeah, so you see that wala tayong nakikitang cornstarch, corn flour lang talaga. So I'm not aware kung nagsisell ba sila ng cornstarch. Nothing, honey. Walang ka-excite ngayon mga palangga, kaya ayun, hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog. Titingnan namin yung bridge.
Oh, you get through now.
Kung yung water nag-reduce na ba? Oh no. Honey, I don't think so.
Darling, should we give it a go?
No! Sweetheart, stop.
It's up higher now. It's up higher now. It's at the top of the fence. No.
Yeah.
It wasn't when I come down.
It's very high. I cannot.
Yeah,
There's
but
no
you-
chance that I can pass this road
You've
tomorrow.
But the fence, right, was. Oh, it must have been that far sticking out.
So, yun yung bridge. Yan. And tingnan nyo yung water. No, stop it, sweet. We're not going. John!
Oh.
Reverse now. Reverse now, John.
Darling, I'm going to show you something. It's receding, look. Water's dropped.
John, reverse now.
Yes, princess.
Reverse now.
Look at that. That's a good view. Look at that.
Yeah, yung water nag-level siya sa hedge. Come on, we need to reverse, Han. Don't be ridiculous. People will be thinking, are they gonna go through?
Them people there, look. Look, Amy's coming over at bridge.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised tomorrow morning this will be a bit down.
Yeah, but no chance, sweetheart, tomorrow. Yeah.
You get
Tingnan niyo
street-
yung farm, oh. Kawawa.
It's well up, isn't it?
Very well up. Yung daffodils, oh, malapit na siyang mamulaklak. Malapit na siyang mag-open. Bubuka yung bulaklak kung sa kanta pa. Tingnan nyo yung roof. Yan. Kailangan natin yang i-fix. Maglinis tayo dito. Hindi na naman siguro tumutulo. So, we can clean this up and then magluluto tayo. Pasensya na kayo, may naririnig kayo, sobrang mahangin sa labas, kaya ayun. Anyway, magluluto tayo ng tinulang manok kasi yung body ko nagre-crave ng sabaw kasi sobrang lamig at mahangin, may bagyo, so magsasabaw tayo. I-prepare ko lang yung mga sangkap natin, mga palangga, and babalikan ko kayo, ha? Mga palangga, pagpasensyahan nyo na, pero hindi ko na talaga kayo nabalikan nung naghihiwa ako ng ating mga ingredients. Kasi kanina, nung naghihiwa ako, meron tayong unexpected visitor. At kung hindi nyo alam, pag meron kaming bisita, dito namin sila tinatanggap sa kusina at doon sila umuupo. And nung naghihiwa ako, malapit na akong matapos sa aking mga preparation. At kayo, nilagay ko kayo dyan. So, yung bisita at si Jan, they are talking there. So, alangan naman na kausapin ko kayo at hindi niya alam yung ginagawa ko. So, nakakahiya naman. So, anyway, hindi ko na kayo talaga dinala sa pagluluto kasi nahihiya ako na kausapin kayo while meron tayong bisita dyan. Anyway, papakita ko na sa inyo yung ating finished product. Natikman ko na, ang sarap. Ito na yung ating chicken tinola, tinulang manok. Ang sarap. Nilagyan ko siya ng, nabanggit ko ba kanina? Nilagyan ko siya ng patatas, pichay, cabbage, meron din, naglagay din ako ng chicken cubes, ano pa ba? Pepper, luya, sibuyas. So, yun. Masarap siya. At sa kasalukuyan din, nagluluto din ako ng hapunan ni Jan. So, Jan will have fries. Ano siya? Mag-i-steak siya. Yan. Egg, peas, and yun lang ata. And kanina din, nagluto din ako ng adobong sitaw. Sitaw lang, wala na akong nilagay na karne. So, yun lang. Tingnan nyo si Mr. Gumagawa siya ng paraan para i-rescue yung ating bubungan. He wants me to move my car. Okay. I will. It's such a good idea na nilagay ni Mr. ng kahoy. Just a temporary. Kasi, mahangin kasi. So, hindi mo na siya aakyat sa bubong. Tsaka na lang pag hindi na mahangin. Whew! That's very fresh. Ihahatid ako ngayon ni Mr. 14 hours ako ngayon. This past few days, puros na lang talaga trabaho, working out with my assessment, sa access course ko, busy. At ito na yung mga dadalhin ko sa trabaho, 2 yogurt and inumin. Masusuot tayo ng jacket. Wala akong tripod ngayon. Hindi ko kasi dinadala yung tripod ko. Kasi sobrang obvious, diba, pag may tripod. Then, tas nagbablog. Sobrang mahangin pa din sa labas, pero at least, hindi siya umuulan. Which way we're going?
Normal way.
Normal way. Oh my. There's a lot of mess. least, nawala na yung tubig.
Yeah, that water was up top, over top of that fence yesterday.
You cannot say the fence and the hedge.
The fence is down there.
Oh dear.
Mud. Look.
Mud.
It's not that. Hedge.
Looks like it.
Fence.
Fence are all gone.
Bridge to Leah. Looks like.
Bye! The door is locked. Oh, hindi pala. Akala ko lock. Itong vlog na to mga palangga, halo-halo to kasi iba't ibang araw to vlog. So, huwag kayong magtaka kung palagi na lang ako nagpre-prepare ng mga kakainin namin or hapunan namin. Kasi, this past few days kasi palagi na lang ako nagba-vlog pero walang ending. Kaya, ayun yung nangyari. So, anyway, ngayon, magmamarinate tayo ng ating chicken. Yan. So, dito, meron akong vegetable stock. Wala akong chicken cube. So, vegetable na lang yung ginamit ko. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng salt. Yan. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Imamarinate ko yung chicken para pag nilagay natin siya sa oven, mamaya manuot talaga yung lasa. Lalagyan din natin ng lemon. And black pepper. Ay, ang daming nalagay. But anyway, never mind. Lalagyan natin ng kaunting sugar. Yan. At maglalagay din tayo ng soy sauce. Nadi-dissolve sila quickly kasi yung ginamit ko na tubig is hot water. So ngayon naman, lalagyan natin ng cold water. Yan. At ilagay na natin yung chicken. Nahugasan ko na yung chicken natin. Yan. So, kailangan lang natin siyang i-flip mamaya. Yung oras is 10:24 ng umaga. Yung marinade, hindi ko alam kung saan ko kinuha. Wala lang. Akin-akin lang yan. Yan na yung chicken. So, yung half lang ng body ng chicken nakasubmerge. So, sabi ko nga, kailangan natin siyang i-flip mamaya. Aalis ako mga palangga. Hello! Hello girls! Mommy is home! So kanina, meron akong pinantahan pero I think it's not worth it really. Hindi ko na lang sasabihin sa inyo. Hello! I'm home! Nandito pa dito sa workshop. Sobrang busy. Alam niyo kung ano yung tinanong ni Mr. Hindi man lang siya nagtanong kung ano yung naging resulta sa pinuntahan ko. Ang tinanong niya, what we're having with the chicken. Naku naman tong taong to. So, sabi ko, mag-roast potato tayo. Plano ko sana, i-roast ko yung chicken sa air fryer. I-air fryer ko ba? Pero sabi niya kasi magro-roast potato ka, di ilagay mo na lang sa oven. So, which is makes sense naman, di ba? So, ito na yung chicken natin. I-preheat natin yung oven. So anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Papasensyahan nyo na talaga yung vlog. Medyo natagalan, pero nagpapasalamat pa din ako sa inyo na walang sawang suporta yung binibigay nyo. Maraming salamat. So I'll see you in my next vlog and bye! Mwah, mwah.